That Samoan dancing, or Siva Samoa, is very precious to my heart. I started dancing at the age of 5 with Taualuga Productions. Though it was rough at first, I eventually got better at it. Even if I get death stares from my auntie Malae and my mom Melina Sula to get it right every time I practice. It did not waver my precious faith to continue to learn and perfect it. Like any hobby, sport, or skill, we practice the Siva Samoa to become great Samoan dancers. In this next song by Taualuga called Siva Samoa, my dance sisters and I will perform why the Siva Samoa is one of the best, using Popo or coconut shells. So
yeah, my Sebastian, ladies and gentlemen, if you're not knowing it already, this is one of our biggest locations, bringing to life the Samoan Siva Popo. So loud, so your drum machines. So loud, your Popo lavai. Kapau foi kakoken balang. Yo si mayalola sila malamay mo. This is the Midvale location for Taualuga Productions. Follow me if you feel party. Taualuga sawiya. Yo. Tango ya Midvale.
Siva Samoa, ipelela baisio muloto. Tatemo emitina iyo mitanga, afa asolo. Eomoko sio muloto, etarulema ufoina umofo. Atulukuma uteta yo. Siva Samoa,
Algo ya Midvale.
afaila etetia talento, sabia seguir.
Hello, Bafana, Taualuga Production. Acta, yeah, girls. Hello, my Midvale. Yo. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for our Midvale location. Thank you very much, girls. You may exit the stage.